Mortgage rates hit yet another record low. People are really packing it all in and moving to places that they vacation, and mortgage loans for low-income borrowers are getting tougher. Hello, this is the 90-second Real Estate Rundown. I'm Jordan Norris, and these are the top headlines in real estate in 90 seconds-ish. This week, the average rate for a 30-year loan dropped to 2.81%, a new record low. Refinance activity remains strong as rates hit the 10th record-breaking rate set this year. However, Freddie Mac's chief economist notes that not everyone is able to take advantage of the unprecedented rates given the impacts of the pandemic. The Fed predicts that rates will stay low through 2023. Federal Housing Administration, or FHA loans, are getting tougher to come by because those homeowners with FHA loans are more likely to be hardest hit economically by the pandemic. A record 15.7% of FHA borrowers were behind on their mortgage payments, which is more than double the delinquency rate for conventional mortgages. Because of this, lenders are tightening the availability of such loans, which are typically a step into homeownership for lower income borrowers who may have little to no money for a down payment or a low credit score. Data released by Apartment List shows there may be a correlation between someone's ability to pay their mortgage and whether or not they turn out to vote. In a survey, 60% of homeowners who are behind on their mortgage said that they will cast ballots, versus 87% of homeowners who are up to date on payments. Just 48% of renters behind on payments say they plan to vote in the election. The research also shows that missed payments are common across the political spectrum, and those who are current on payments are more likely to vote regardless of party affiliation. You know that feeling when you're on vacation and you're like, we should totally move here, but then the crushing realization about work and your kid's school would dash your dreams? Well, now thanks to remote work and virtual schooling, homes in popular vacation destinations are rising in popularity. Zillow says places like Cape Cod, Key West, Lake Tahoe, and Park City, Utah are seeing an increase in searches and sales. People migrating to these vacation spots are seeing it as an investment where if they choose to return to cities when the pandemic is over, they'll have a great rental property or vacation home. That was 90 seconds-ish, right? If you like the show, hit the thumbs up button and comment down below with your feedback. And if you really like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.